Welcome. In front of me I have HAYLOU Solar Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the HAYLOU Phone application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it like this. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on Mine, select your Solar Lite from the list of My Devices, and here scroll through this page, find the Unbind button and tap on it, and tap on Confirm. The watch will disappear from the list of My Devices, and we can close the app now, and I believe it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And once it's done, you will see the list of languages on the screen, which means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.